Morning guys, I just wanted to show you quickly, this is just a quick video, just to show you an embellishment idea, and it also is, I just want to say thank you very much to everybody that has been watching my videos and subscribed to my channel. I really do appreciate it. Everybody's been so lovely and shared my videos on their Facebook pages, so I'm going to pop all the pages, the Facebook pages down below in the comments for you to go and have a look, and I really do appreciate all the help and all you lovely people that have leaving lovely comments and showing me pictures of all the work that you've been doing. So thank you so much. And this is just a quick embellishment idea that I did for my other half of Valentine's Day. I didn't actually video the card, but I thought I'd just show you this idea here. This could go for any sort of card, because what it is, I've cut out a calendar here and I've just popped a little, this is a glass cabochon, just over the date, so it sort of emphasises the date of somebody's, say, 21st birthday, 50th birthday, anniversary, congratulations, anything like that. Obviously you don't have to put a heart, but I just thought you could pop a little embellishment over the date. So I thought that was a really good idea. I don't know whether everybody's seen it before. And this card is just made out of tea stained paper, which I've just layered up on here. And I've got the little dictionary love sign, the dictionary paper there with the love on it, and I've just curled up a little bit of paper here so it gives it a bit of dimension on there. This is a fabric card, and then we've got the key hanging down there on a little bit of chain. So that was just a quick idea, but this is great, this one here, which I just thought it was a really good idea. So if it's a special day of somebody, a wedding day, you can make it into a really nice wedding card. So that's just a quick little one to show you, and a quick thank you to everybody. So I really do appreciate it. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I hope you join me in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.